What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Seance, man. You watch Seance TV, and I'm back with another video, man. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Join the grind gang. Also hit that post notification so you do not miss a video. Let's get into this video, man. So, man, we are actually on the way right now to go pick up the Chrysler 300, bro. I'm looking at it right now. Yes, sir. This is gonna be the first time I actually get to see this thing actually driving in a good shape. What's up, my man?
What's up, bro?
Yes, sir. It's dirty as heck. I gotta go take it to the car wash. How is it? It's okay? Boy, getting me right, man. That's my first time ever hearing it sound that good, bro. Oh, snap. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Hell yeah. It's good.
Yes.
Yes.
Yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Everything day. Everything day yesterday.
Okay. It's good. Yes, sir. Good. Did you have to put some more coolant in it, or?
Give me 1 second.
All right. Uh-oh. Damn, bro, this thing is dirty, fam. What the heck? Look at that. What the hell? That's crazy. We got to take it on the drive first. Alright, so first drive, guys. I'm just about to drive it real quick. Yeah, you can just stay right there. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't do it to him. Oh man, we in business, boys. Alright guys, I gotta go finish paying him. It's good, I already know, so I ain't got time to drive it a million years. I ain't got time to drive it a million years, so I'm just gonna do this, and then I gotta go get back home so I can bid on these cars online, because the auction is about to start. But I ain't gonna lie, it drive good so far. We'll see how it does on my way to the house, but oh yeah. boy got me right. My boy got me right. Like I said, so the only thing on this is the blend door is messed up, so it's blowing hot air out of there but cold air out of there. So I'm gonna bring it back and he gonna fix it for me. But other than that, everything else is good. So yes sir. Let me go pay the man real quick. I gotta get back to the house and then we'll get back on with it for today. But I gotta go try to buy these cars, man. Hopefully we can get something at the auction. So I'm finna pay him and then we finna drive it back. Yes sir, so we are on the highway, man. We headed to the lot. And the 300, man, it is actually driving smooth, bro. We do need tires on it. The tires are horrible. I'm not gonna lie to you. But other than that, man, it's been doing good. Doing what it's supposed to be doing. So look like we in good shape. Anyway, as of right now, I'm gonna drive it for a couple of days first. Make sure it's okay, even though my mechanic did drive it for a day, but I'm gonna still drive it a couple of days before I post it for sale, because I don't want it to, you know, do any crazy stuff on the customer before we sell it. So, or after we sell it. So yeah, even though he gave us a warranty on it, but I'm gonna still drive it and make sure that I'm gonna pass the warranty on to the customer. So you know, I think it's good, man. I'm glad. I'm really happy to be behind the wheel of this thing. I'm not gonna lie, bro. This has been a long time in the making. Like, it's just been sitting in the garage for a long time. You see, I got the roof. See, I got the panoramic out. But it's dirty as heck, though. So I'm not gonna lie. I'm about to go through the car wash in this thing, bro, because it looks disgusting. I'm not gonna cap, bro. So I'm finna slide through the car wash right now. But as of like how it's driving good. Haven't heard any crazy noises from the engine yet. I said, yeah, don't let me jinx myself. I haven't heard any crazy noises or nothing like that, like it was doing. So yeah, man, I'm happy. Hopefully it keep doing good and we can sell it, make us some money and move on, you know what I'm saying? But I'm about to go to the car wash and I'm gonna get with y'all, because I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum it out, even though it's not that dirty, but it could use a little vacuum. So I'm gonna vacuum it out too and just get it ready, and I'm gonna post it for sale, my boy. First, I was gonna go to the lot and try to get the sticker off and all that before I take it to the car wash, but that don't really matter. I can do that at the lot anyway with the car being washed. So I'm gonna just go ahead and wash it. That way I ain't gotta make no double trips. Oh, they ain't got no AC, guys. I don't know if y'all can see. They got the door open. I know what that means, no AC, and it's hot, and the windows probably don't roll down. I done seen that before. I done been there before in high school. At high school, we had to do a couple of them type of trips myself, so I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, man, so I'm gonna get back to y'all, man, when I get this thing cleaned up. We're finna go through the car wash, man. Yes, sir. Got him clean, man. Come on. Y'all tell me this is not the best car y'all have seen for $2,800, bro. You cannot make this up. Now, obviously, you probably can't tell. It has had some body work done right there at that back quarter panel side, but $2,800, I take it any day of the week. I promise y'all, you will not find nothing like that for $2,800. This is a 2016 Chrysler 300S, 160,000 miles. This is unheard of, bro, for $2,800. You can't find it. I'm the only person probably in the world, man. Yeah, in the world, Craig, not just the city. But nah, I'm about to go take some pictures of it. Man, I don't even want to say, bro. I keep driving and keep looking at it. I'm going to want to keep it, and that's not the goal. We already said what the goal was, so I got to stick to it. We got to sell it. So that's what we're about to do right now, man. We finna go take some pictures and get this thing posted on Marketplace, man. So that's what I'm about to go do right now, man. So yeah, I get back to y'all, man. I hate that the wheels is mismatched, but you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna take some pictures and then I'm gonna put them in the next clip. All right, man, so we just took pictures of it. You know what I'm saying? So now we just gotta post it. We just gotta post it. I'm gonna post it on the internet, man, for probably like $69.99, $7,000, and let somebody bring me 65 or something like that. Whatever, I ain't gonna argue with them. I'ma just take it and move on. Huh? Yeah, I ain't gonna argue with them. Tell them bring it to me. I'm finna put it in the garage though, and then shit, that's it, man. We gotta close up shop. So I'm gonna get back to y'all though. I'm finna put this in the garage. All right, man, so as y'all saw, we just put the Chrysler 300 in the garage, man. Like I said, we took pictures of it. I'm finna post it on Marketplace. I'm gonna post it on Marketplace for about $69.99, so basically $7,000. Like I was saying, man, it's gonna be a lot to try to convert this thing. And for the amount of money that people was talking about, I can just go buy one. So that may be what I do in the future. But like I said, man, I'm going to focus on grinding and getting the 100K challenge knocked out the way before we move on to other projects. So that's going to be in the foreseeable future. If y'all are interested in the 300, man, hit me up on Instagram at Seance TV. I usually see my Instagram messages. Like I said, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, follow me on all of my social media platforms. They all are the same thing, which is Seance TV. Also go to Grind Gang so you can get yourself some merch, man. I did think about trying to do a raffle, like maybe just buying a hoodie or something and you be entered to win. I just don't have enough followers or supporters right now for that, so it wouldn't make sense. So like I said, and if you do want to look at the new inventory that I do got coming in constantly, go to Culture Automotive Facebook page, and I do post all of my cars on there. I haven't yet, but I'm going to start actually posting everything on that page. So go check it out, man. I'm putting it on the screen. But yeah, that is the end of this video, man. So if you did like this video, hit that like button, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Join the grind gang. Also hit that post notification so you do not miss these videos, man. We on the way to 100K.